Yeah, good afternoon, Sunday friends. So today I'm going to show you practical number 4 in various examples of the forms. So here uh, we have 4 examples. How to select notepad you don't know. Every exercise I am keep on telling. Select start window, then select all the program, then select accessories. Here Windows, select all the program. So likewise only you have to select accessories. Here accessories. In that notepad you have to select. Notepad once you selected empty notepad you will get. So once after empty notepad you copy and paste whatever in the PPT and execute, or otherwise you have to download some code and execute. So here notepad I already did the copy and paste, and as well as I did some corrections on the coding and I executed the HTML code. So here 1, 2, 3 and then 4th execution also is there in one notepad. So in that notepad you see that this is first program output. So after you did all the coding now, so you copy, you save into basic forms.html. Finally, you submit that same files into browser. It is Google Chrome browser. Submit means you will get the following execution. So here I will shortly discuss here title and HTML. It is start the program. Title of the text, the form text type, all form in text type. So here head, the body, no, font color is blue. Font color is blue. What font? Please enter the following biodata. Following biodata is blue color. Okay. So next we'll start the forms. What are the forms? Totally 1, 2, 3, 4 forms. Forms name, method, get the input, and then action URL. So these are the standard forms coding. So you have to code first name, input type equal to text, name equal to first name, size 15 to 25 character. Here character text only. Okay, text you can enter combination text and as well as numbers. So here first name, here last name, nationality, and then phone number. All 15 to 25 characters limit. Name is first name, last name, country, phone number. So here first name, last name, nationality, phone number. All it is executed. This is one example of the forms available in the PPT. It is discussed in previous theory class. Next one is how to create username and password. Here it is the another examples. Forms, it is called forms. It is username. Here username, action URL, method get. Here input type is text. So here maximum length 15 to 25. Password means only asterisk will display. Here password input type equal to password if you type within code. So automatically that whatever you type that will in crypto format will come in the box. Okay, so this is second execution. Third execution and fourth execution. This is third. Third is in a checkbox. Here see green color text. Please check the following. Please check the following, and then select country now. So before that forms 3 action URL method get the input. Here red, select the country. Select the country. It is red. So what are the country? Jordan, Ecuador, and Arabic. Jordan, Yemen and Qatar. Then next one is Arabic. So here Jordan to head, Yemen and Qatar. Here select Arabic, no, English and French. So here now see English input, and then another one is the type checkbox in French. Both box will display. It is an this type of square type of box, it is called checkbox type. You can click and get the following input automatically default. Next one is radio button. So here green color specified. Here please check one of the following. Here one of the following you have to check radio button. Here radio button, Jordan, it is a radio button. Above same checkbox. By here you are using text box and as well as radio button. So in this case, notepad I have to select. In this case, color is green, checkbox of the following radio button. Here red. So they select the country, it is in red. Previously it is blue. So here it is red. Then next one is the radio button is checked. So Jordan is in one of the radio button, and Yemen it is radio button, and name of the country it is not checked. It is only the box. Quarter also same. Okay. So then next one is Arabic. Which one is checked? Arabic radio name it is checked. English and French it is not checked. Okay. So here bottom side English and French is there. Only Arabic is checked. Okay, click blue color now. So it is a check. Second execution, how to select now. So here form, here this form text format only. All the file you have to select. Then you go and select form2.html. Form2.html. Here once you selected, here also change the file name form2.html. You will get this execution. Then select notepad. Here now, so radio boxes only. Form 1 coding is there. Then radio choice value 1 is yes. Here yes. 2 is no. And then color red color. The code is there. No, the HR color red size 10 within code. It is in red color in between will come. And then next one is form 2. Here radio button only. Here check yes only checked. So here what is here nothing will check. Okay, so that the coding is like this. Here check no. So blue color blue option no means so here no not checked. So this is fifth coding. Then sixth one is here sixth one. Here no. So the click here to see the baby crying. So here red color red. Click here to baby crying. The button value equal to press me. So press me. Likewise, three things are there. Here see baby shouting. Baby shouting also is there. Then click me. Then a baby eating also is there. Then click me. So likewise, the button it is everything. It is centered because of that only. So here no center align div align equal to center. So all it is centered. The button value here hit me, here click me, they press me. Okay, different buttons. Submit button no. Likewise, here next one is so next coding is. Here yellow color is mentioned. Here color font color yellow, so that's what not visible. Only two information: first name and family name and submit data. Here first name same only. Here first name, family name, and finally submit data. So it automatically going to submit. So this two execution only, similar execution only, submit data. Then I want to show the reset. Reset means so you want to select form 3. Form 3 here form 3 code. So you want to submit in the browser, no? So 3, then execute. So here yeah. So it came. So here submit data and reset. So if you type here now, if you want to reset the above data, so you can reset. Nothing will be there automatically. Only clear text box you will get. So here coding is like this. Here see first name, family name, and then color red, font color is red. Click here to submit the data. Press here to submit the data. Then automatically submit the data. Likewise, reset. Reset button also is there. Likewise, if you reset, nothing will. If you type at the time, you can reset means empty box will be get. Here text data. Here text data. Column 40, row 20. So some text you are enter in the box, text area closed. So this everything it will display in the box. Okay. So here to here it will display in the text area. So then next one is PG color. Total PG color. Screen color is blue. So here you have to list out the visited countries. Here visited, select the cities you have visited. Here what is the color? PG color is blue. Then this color is red. Okay, this color is red. So likewise all the city will display in the box, within the box. Okay. So next one is what are the types of computer do you have? So that one. So here this code. So here font color is blue. Okay. Here it is red. Here it is also red. Here blue. So then you here select and the options you have to give. In this PG color and you are selecting some text to inside the boxes, no? So that you have to select and the option you have to give. Here options you have to give. That two things, lot of options are there. There you have to give the options. Here Intel, Apple and Compaq computers. So in this you have to show like that example. So this is a fourth practical exercise in forms, and also some exercises in w3schools.com. So here we'll see some of the examples. So net is very slow, so that exercise executions also very late. So here you see, here it is one of the exercise. Here the action label. So this is run by w3schools.com. Here you will get combo box, John, and submit radio button. Okay, submit button, submit. Here the data will be sent into the pages corresponding. Once you click on submit now, data will be sent into the corresponding pages. Next exercise, this also another forms, first name, last name and submit. This same exercise discussed in examples also. Here, so here it is only two names, first name and last name, no submit button exercise. So here radio button. So radio button is there. Here many radio buttons is there, male, female and others. So radio button, no color specified. So automatically the corresponding radio button, if you click, that data is stored in the database. Here iframe. The previous class we were discussed about the frames. So here what will happen? The frames used to display a page within a page. Iframe equal to, here you specified some HTML files, demo iframe.html. So within the frame that whatever information